We're going to show you how you can take a good picture of your work by using a smartphone. I'm using an iPhone 6 in this video. There are a couple of things to look out for when taking pictures of your artwork. Ideally, your work should be photographed outside in the shade. If you can't manage that, photograph it inside in a well-lit room without shadows and glare. Make sure the angle of your painting is the same as the side of your camera. All the edges of the picture are straight and line up to the edges of your viewfinder. Now for some editing. Go to your photo icon and select the photo you want to edit. If you've made your photograph landscape, turn your phone in the landscape position and your photo will turn and fill the screen like this. Tap the screen again to get all your editing options. The top icon is for cropping your image. Drag each corner to where you want it cropped to. You'll see that the image will fill up the screen automatically. Now let's look at the icon below. This can change the colors of your image or even turn it into a black and white. For this picture, I'm going to choose the original color setting. The third icon is for changing the contrast in your picture. You can change it from having a little contrast to lots of contrast. Play around with it and see what suits your image best. Press Done to save all your changes. Tap your screen once and it will show you your image with a black frame around it. This will really make your image pop. We hope this helps you take better pictures of your artwork.